Hi guys, so to this video, we're going to change the tie rod end of Kia Sorento. It's very cold here right now in Wisconsin. I could wait this in the summer, but my concern is we just install a new tire. If I will not fix this tire, it will gone so fast. This is our parts. This is the problem of the tie rod end, guys. This is the new one, guys. I'm putting it on. Just put the pin, guys. Just try to bend this, man. Guys, we're gonna put the tire back and then we're gonna do alignment. Hi guys, I'm just showing how do I do my alignment. This is how I do it. Might be confusing for the other, but I feel easy to do it this way. If the rear axle is dependent suspension, guys, I do my own alignment. But if it is independent suspension, I don't do this. What I'm doing is I have to measure here and then I have to measure here too. I have a marking here. Whatever is the difference, then adjust the tie rod end. Guys, the process of this alignment, it takes a while. But after I got the correct measurement, I'm gonna show you. This is the measurement, guys. 78 and 5/8. This measurement, guys, this is behind the front wheel. Here in the front, see guys, 78 and 5/8. This is the front area. Now it's time to test drive. By the way guys, every time I touch the tire dent, I always check also the steering wheel, make sure it's straight. Just to let you know guys, I am not a certified mechanic. I am just a mechanic of my own car. That's it. So guys, we're done with our project for today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.